We're here today on the last day of UK Construction Week. I'm here with our team, Fischer. This is Nick, who's going to tell us a little bit about himself and the products we have on offer today. Hi, Nick.
Hi, Jasper. My name is Nick Morris. I'm the Business Development Manager for the Commercial Division. I've worked for the company for the last 6 months. Fischer provides heating and hot water solutions which are environmentally friendly and use renewables.
That's great. And can you run through some of these products we have here with us, please?
We have here a Aqua Efficient. It uses a heat change material, so it's heated up. Cold water enters the cylinder. It goes through a heat diffuser and then comes out at 45, 55 centigrade and is used for washing, showers, etc.
And this removes the need for a hot water tank, does it?
Yeah, it removes the needs for a hot water tank. It can also use solar power.
That's great news. Everything needs to be eco-friendly nowadays. What about this big one over here? What's this one called?
This one is an Aqua Efficient Eco Plus. It basically consists of a 200 litre tank. At the top there is a 2 kilowatt air source heat pump. It heats the hot water up to 55 centigrade. Once the water is actually drawn off, you can set a temperature so it automatically powers back up and heats the water quickly back up to 55. Has a built-in heating element so that if you need it, it can heat the water quickly for you.
So you don't need to wait for a long time for your hot water?
No, from sort of baseline to 55 centigrade, it will take about between 5 and 7 hours. But you can actually set it so when the temperature drops down to, say, 40 degrees and you want it back up, the heat pump and the heating element will automatically come on and push the heat straight back up.
That's perfect. And just behind us, we've got some radiators. Can you tell us a bit more about these, please, and what makes them special?
These are the electric panel radiators. The main difference really is they use trickle feed. So the radiator will heat up and heat the room up to a given temperature, switch itself off, and then when the room temperature lowers, it comes back on and trickle feeds the power back in. So it's much more efficient than a standard heating panel. Comes in different designs, so you can have Wi-Fi as well added into it.
That's great. And you get a wireless thermostat with that as well, don't you? So you can control each room.
Yeah, you get a wireless thermostat to control each room or each radiator, and you can also link all the radiators together if you want to.
It sounds great. Sounds excellent. Just over here, we've got an air source heat pump. Can you tell us what's unique about this design?
The unique of this design is basically it's a monoblock heat pump, which means that a qualified plumber or electrician can actually install these. So it has a cold water in and a hot water return outwards. This one on display doesn't have a buffer tank built in. That would be inside the building. But we do actually do heat pumps that incorporate the buffer tank and circulation pumps as well. So that would go straight to underfloor heating.
Is this the Fischer ones are unique in the way they can be turned off, an element can be turned off in the summer?
Yeah, the way that we design systems, rather than have the heat pump running 24, 7 days a week, 365 days a year, they're designed so that they run during the winter, power down during the summer, and then come back up again during the winter. And you would use something like the Aqua Efficient or the Aqua Efficient Eco Plus to do the hot water system. That way, if any system drops down, you've still got heating or you've still got the hot water system. Whereas if it's doing hot water and heating and the system goes off, you've lost everything.
So it's a hybrid solution, really?
Yeah, it's basically a hybrid solution. It's more efficient that way.
Excellent. And behind us, we have an electric boiler. One of Fischer's electric boilers. Could you tell us a bit about that one, please?
Yeah, we do several boilers. We do heat-only boilers, which are wall-mounted. They start at 6 kilowatts and go up to 12 kilowatts. We also do floor-mounted boilers, and then we do combi boilers. We can do bespoke boilers as well, combi and heat-only. Currently, we're doing one at the moment for about 600 kilowatts. So we can design specific boilers for any application.
And these can be used with your wet rads as well?
These can be used with the wet rads and underfloor heating as well.
Excellent. Thanks a lot for your time, Nick. That's been excellent. Cheers.
Thank you very much.